Hey guys, it's Sebastian here. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a crazy product that is crushing it right now in a specific niche that has always crushed it in dropshipping. Like, it's just a never-ending cycle of money. This ad in specifics has over 6 million views in just 5 weeks. So I'm going to briefly explain how I found the product and then show you guys the product, the websites that are selling it, how much you can source it for, and all that stuff, because the margins on it are really good. Overall, it's a very simple product, but it does solve a huge problem. So before we get into it, be sure to smash the like button and click subscribe below because I post daily dropshipping content. Now that that is out of the way though, let's get into this video. So how I found this product, I was simply scrolling on Instagram and I got hit with an ad of the product. It wowed me. I was like, holy crap, this is a sick product. And I'll show you guys the ad in my computer, so don't worry about that. But I saw the ad and I was pretty impressed by it, so it was just scrolling through my Instagram feed. One thing you guys can do to start getting targeted for these ads is I would suggest after this video, you search up this website and click through on Google ads and stuff like that, and then go on their Instagram page, start liking posts or doing something along the lines of that, because then people will start targeting you for similar products because your interest will start to pick up in that niche. A lot of people suggest using an ad spy tool or like a product research tool, and those all work well, but sometimes you find the best products by just searching on your Facebook or Instagram feed, which is definitely a hit or miss method, but it definitely works and can bring you some solid products. But now that I've covered how I found the product, I'm going to get into my computer right now, show you guys the ad for the product, what the product actually is, some websites that are selling the product, how much you can source it for, and how much they're probably making on this product every single month, because it's quite a bit of money. Okay, so this is the product. It's called Spine Deck Orthopedic Back and Statica. I'm not really sure what that word is. Nerve stretcher. So essentially it's a posture product in a sense. It's for your back and essentially it just stretches out your spine. So really cool product. It has multiple levels on it. I'm not here to sell you guys the product. I'm just here to show you guys like that it's a pretty cool product. So super cool design, very simple. They have their logo on it, which if you zoom in, it's literally just a sticker. It's not like it's printed on the product itself. So, that's kind of whatever. But nonetheless, cool product, does solve a big problem. Like, it shows a lot of people having pain in their back and then why it fixes the pain, and it can be used on the couch, on your, it actually can be used on an office chair like the one I'm using. It can be used on the floor. So it's definitely a versatile product. And then it has these little acupuncture type notches. And it's not really acupuncture because acupuncture is a little different, but it nonetheless has these notches as well that can assist with back pain. So cool product. It's in high demand and the ads are going crazy for it. Let's just keep going down. So they have a lot of reviews with the logo on the product, which is good, showing that they are actually dropshipping the product or selling the product with the logo. I'm not sure if they are dropshipping now or if they have it private labeled and in-house in the US or wherever they're shipping from, but nonetheless, they do have a great amount of reviews with the product without or with logo. So you can see they got it branded around somewhere right here, because now they start having logo on the product. But prior to that, it was just a generic product with no logo, which meant they were dropshipping this beginning of last year. So it looks like December. Actually, they probably took these reviews before they even started selling it. But nonetheless, great product, solves a huge problem. I want to get into the shipping and see if they're drop shipping. So on their shipping page, it makes it very obvious that they are drop shipping, 5 to 18 day shipping times. And then they also say right here, all orders will be dispatched from our warehouse in China within 1 to 2 days. In peak periods, allow for up to 3 days for dispatch. So that's a clear sign they're still drop shipping. They probably just have a supplier that's manufacturing them for them and just simply putting the logo on the product. So nothing fancy. Definitely someone can come in here and private label this product, get it in-house and kill it. I could probably do that if I wanted to. I may actually. I'm not really sure yet. We'll look into this product more and see if it's worth it. But nonetheless, they sell it for $38, pretty good price, and they say it's half off. 120 reviews. Here's another website selling it. I saw their ads as well, and they are both amazing ads, and they're selling it for $1 cheaper. And this site is also structured pretty well. It has a lot of content just showing off results and how like before and afters and showing how it can benefit your life. Pictures like this work so well because they just hit home for a lot of people. Some people have achiness in their back or their neck or something. So if you show them that this can easily solve the problem, they will happily buy the product, which is something so simple, but a lot of people still don't get it. Like, you literally just present an issue and then present a solution for their issue, and you will make money with dropshipping. And then just make sure the product works well and it's good quality, and you will make money and have it stick with you so that you don't get chargebacks or anything like that. And then I believe this one, they're also dropshipping. I'm almost positive. So yeah, 6 to 20 day shipping, 8 to 20 days Oceania, Europe, 8 to 20 days, 2 to 4 days for processing. So they're all drop shipping, and there's not really, I don't believe there's one brand that's like dominating. Definitely this Spine Deck site is doing large numbers. I can actually see their monthly visits if, let's just see. No, so they're not doing enough data to where I can see it. I'm going to assume they're probably doing like 50 to 100K a month. Maybe more though, because they do have a video with 6 million views, which if you're getting 6 million views on a video, you've done multi six figures with the product. So they've been doing really well with the product nonetheless. Now, let's get into their ads. So here's their ad library. If you guys don't know how to find this, you go on their Facebook page, and then on the left, it should show something like this where it says page transparency. You'll click see more, and then you'll click see active ads or something like that. And then it'll take you to this page. Sometimes it has this one checked and it may show that there are no ads. So just make sure you're on all ads. So this was the individual ad I saw. We're just going to play it, and I'm going to analyze the ad for you guys, kind of break it down as to why it performs so well. Because this video has, I believe, over 6 million views, if I'm not mistaken. I checked it on my phone this morning, and it's at like 6.5 million views. So crushing it. But right here, let's go over the ad text. The only true relaxation device made by professionals, used by doctors around the world. Too good to be true. Try it risk-free for 60 days while it's still 50% off. So, you know, they get their point across pretty quickly. It is a little vague. Honestly, the caption is kind of vague. Like, I don't really know what the product is yet. I know it's a relaxation device, but I don't really understand exactly what it is. When I write my ad copy, there's usually a little more depth that explains a little bit about the product rather than just being this vague, but nonetheless, it is working well, which is why I suggest you guys test out all different types of text, not just short ones. Sometimes shorter captions like this can perform better, so again, you just need to test it out, but let's analyze this video. Off the bat, they have their video watermarked, which is something I always suggest, but let's go through the ad. So they show you guys, or they show a person hunching over, and then they show him with adjusted perfect posture with this device, and they show it in multiple settings. So there's one setting where it's super perked up, and then one where it's more folded back. So right off the bat, they've shown that it has different modes and that it does help your posture. And then they go into depth and then say goodbye to back pain. If you guys saw that, they showed this person getting out of bed. So it's very subtle, but if you watch this and let's say you just got out, like for example, I woke up today and I have a neck kink and also my back doesn't feel the best. It's because my bed is pretty bad and I probably should buy a new one, but I woke up and my back wasn't feeling great. So I could see this product and think, oh my God, this could definitely help my life out a lot because I can just set it up on the floor right once I wake up, stretch out my back, decompress my spine, and realign my discs, and maybe my back will feel amazing in just a few minutes. And then they say you can use it anywhere. I don't know who would pack it in their backpack and like take it to work or something. I'm not really positive though. I guess to each their own. It's not something I would do, but again, they do show that you can take it anywhere. And then they show someone using it in the car, just using it while sitting at a desk, and all sorts of stuff. So the thing that is, and then they show someone using it on the couch. So the beneficial part of this ad is they are showing the product in many different angles rather than just using it like one time for one specific reason. They're saying, look, if you just woke up and your back isn't feeling good, you can use this product. Or if you drive to work and you sit hunched over, you can put it behind you and it will help your back out. Or if you work at a desk with an office chair all day, you can put it behind your back and it will help you out no matter the case, which is the perfect way you should structure your ads because you're getting your point across to many different demographics. And then they just showed someone on the couch. I don't know if you guys saw that. I think I skipped. Yeah, on the couch right there. So that's another purpose as to why someone would buy it. Personally, I have terrible posture. Like when I sit on my couch or if I sit in this chair, I'm hunched over working and this product could help me out. I'm a little sold on the product. I would probably buy it from AliExpress or Alibaba, but still a cool product. And then the end screen, the logo, click shop now and get 50% off today, 20,000 plus 5-star reviews, which is a pretty bold claim because on their website, it just shows that they have 120 positive reviews. This may just be orders. I'm not positive. If they have 20K orders though, that's that's like probably $1 million they've done in revenue. So again, great product. Now that's cool and all that the product works, but what are the margins? I was able to pull up this product on Alibaba and I saw there were 17 buyers, which is good. And this supplier has been around for 5 years, so they are a reputable supplier, which is what you always want to look for if you're on Alibaba surfing for suppliers. And they are selling the product for $1.67 to $2.45, which is very cheap considering it's being sold for almost $40, like $38, which is amazing. The margins are really healthy. The only issue is shipping, so this product is a little bigger. I'm going to guess they're paying $10 to $12 for shipping, which is, again, they are saying they have, what was it? I believe 5 to 18 day shipping, so probably e-packet, maybe something else, but they're probably paying like $10 plus, let's just say $3, so that's $13 shipped, and they are selling the product for, let me go back, for 38. So that's a 3x markup, which is what I always suggest at minimum, a 3x markup. This is something that could easily be branded though and have US inventory and crush it because everyone's waiting, like 2 to 3 weeks to get their product with all these Facebook ads. So if you go in and you run an ad where you're like, yo, we got 2-day shipping, like free 2-day shipping, or buy now and get free 2-day shipping, or buy now and get fast same-day processing, something to where you incentivize them to buy it right now, this product would crush it. And it's something I'm even looking at selling. Like I know I'm making a video on it, and you guys are probably like, oh, you would definitely not make a video on the product you're going to sell, but I may run this product and sell it like this coming week because I'm always looking for new products. So nonetheless, this is a great product. There are definitely a lot of people selling it, but that doesn't mean you guys can't get into the market. Having a solution to bad posture is always going to be a hot selling topic and niche because of the fact that everyone has bad posture at some point. It's not everyone, but there's always going to be those people that have the bad posture. And so the product and the demand is always going to be there for them. Another beneficial part of this product is it's not like it's a seasonal product. It's not like people are going to buy this just for Christmas and then the product is going to die down. You can sell this year round, which is very valuable. And I always suggest people to find products that you can sell year round because making short-term money is cool. But if you can set up a brand and have everything set up properly to where you can run it year round and make, 5 or 6 figures a month, every single month, that is where the real money comes in long term. Hopefully you guys got massive value from this video, and tomorrow's video I'm going to post something where I show you guys a cool product research method. So if you guys are looking forward to that, be sure to smash the like button and click subscribe below because again, I post daily dropshipping content. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I'll have a link in my description for that. I do polls, Q&As, sometimes I do store reviews on YouTube, and I get the submissions from my Instagram page. So again, be sure you're following me on Instagram. But other than that, hope you guys got massive value from this video. Super cool product. I would suggest anyone to try and sell it because again, it's not like this niche is going to die down next week. It's going to be something that sells well kind of forever. Posture products have always sold really well. So definitely look into this if you are having a hard time selling products or even finding products. But other than that, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.